Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Here Poonam Tomar once again in front of you with the different topic tenses. Today we shall learn tenses. So what are tenses? Verb which denotes time is called tense. It here means tense denotes the time of an action. Tense always denotes time of action. There are three tenses. What are those? Past, present and future. These three tenses means these three tenses past, present and future. These are subdivided into four types. How many types? Into four types, according to their action and situation. Then what are those four types? Those four types, first of all, simple, continuous, perfect tense and perfect continuous. Here these are subdivided as simple past, simple present, simple future. In the same way, past continuous, present continuous, future continuous. We will divide those according to their action. First of all, we will read simple past tense. Where we use simple past tense, this is generally known to us. Past tense is used to those actions, those happened in the past. So first of all, simple past tense is used to habitual past. Habitual past means those habits are not in present time. For example, if you say, I walked in the morning before some time. You are not walking in the morning right now. You walked in the morning before some time, but not right now. In the same way, general statement means those are not happening right now, but those happened in the past time. For example, few months before, some other teacher taught me English. Third one, to indicate another action which happened in the middle of a longer action. Here I mean to say when two types of action means two actions were going on in the same time. As for example, light went away when we were taking dinner. Habitual past can also be expressed by using used. Here I mean to say habitual past can be expressed by two types. First of all, we can use second form of the verb, and second type we can use used to express any type of habitual work, habitual action. So first of all, we will know verbs of simple past tense in affirmative sentences. Which type of verb we will use with affirmative sentences means verb second form, second verb plus singular and plural subjects. Same verb will be used with singular and plural subjects. And after that, we will make syntax. For syntax, first of all, we write subject. After that, second verb and plus object. And after that, rest of the things just as adjectival phrase, prepositional phrase what are those? They all will come after object. For example, we played a match yesterday. Full stop. Be subject, played second verb, a article, match object, and this is time denoting. Everybody knows this. Now we will do negative sentences. What helping verb we will use in simple past tense, we will know this. Helping verb did plus not. Main verb first verb. Syntax, what will be the syntax here? Syntax again subject plus did not. Did not here means helping verb. And plus first verb plus object and plus rest of the things as adjectival phrase, prepositional phrase, those will come after object. Example, he didn't do his homework, full stop. Now what is he? He means subject. Did not means helping verb. Do first verb. His homework, this is object. His means possessive and homework object. Now we will do interrogative sentences. There are two types of interrogative sentences. Number A, start with helping verb, and number B, start with question verb. There is confusion regarding types of interrogative sentences. What is the confusion? Sometimes negative interrogative sentences are included into the types of interrogative sentences. But this is not correct. There are only two types of interrogative sentences. First, start with question verb, and second, start with helping verb. Why? Actually, whenever we ask to somebody and our question is started with helping verb, that answer is always within yes or no. And when a question word sentence is asked to somebody, that has a particular answer. That's why. Now we will know what is the syntax of this. Syntax. First of all, we will make the syntax did plus subject plus first verb plus object and plus question mark. Question mark is mandatory to mark. Otherwise, marks are deducted according to the punctuation rules. Number B, when we start our sentence with question word, then first of all question word plus subject plus first verb and plus object and plus question mark, like this. For example, learn your lesson? Question mark. Here answer is yes or no. After that, why did you go to Delhi on Friday? Question mark. Now we will do negative interrogative sentence. What is negative interrogative sentence? When a question is asked in negative form, that is called negative interrogative sentence. What is the syntax for this? Syntax is here. Syntax, first of all, helping verb plus subject plus not plus first verb and plus object and plus rest of the things, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, adjectival phrase for that. This is the format for that when a question is start with helping verb. Now the second type of question, that is start with question verb. For this, first of all, question verb plus subject plus helping verb, not subject, plus helping verb plus subject plus not plus first verb plus object and plus question mark. Example: did you not help your brother when he came to you? Question mark. In the same way, why did you not learn your lesson Why did you not learn your lesson on Saturday? Question mark. These are some examples of simple past tense. We will read those. We close our shops at 8 p.m. Here closed means this is simple past. Second form of the verb. This is an affirmative sentence. She used to take tea in the morning. Used to take, this is also simple past, and this signifies to the habitual action. She is not taking tea right now in the morning, but she used to take tea in the morning. I didn't attend the function. Didn't means this is also simple past, and with didn't we always use first form of the verb. I never ate stale food. But remember one thing, at with never we always use second form of the verb. Never is also in negative form, but with never we always use second form of the verb. This is also simple past. Did you play a game? This is also simple past sentence. This is in interrogative form. After that, this is the question. Why did you not play a game? This is the question. Why did? Where did he go to take sugar? This is also in simple past, and did is helping verb here used. Yes, students, thank you for watching the video. I hope you would like this.